Hi everyone and welcome back. This is going to be a summary of the Killer Kit of my August 2018 Mini Kit Monday. So I'll go ahead and show you the pages that I made, and it also includes a bonus page. So this was the first one that I had used, and I was trying to emphasize the cut file. Of course there is a video up for this one. And then this was the second week. This is also a cut file. Both of these cut files came from Paige Evans' Facebook page, and both of those are mentioned in the videos that, these videos. And I was able to use up quite a bit of this Thickers. The white Thickers is kind of a matte gloss. Almost used up all the hearts on this one. Able to use quite a bit of ephemera, emphasizing my daughter's blue eyes. And then this is week number 4. This was using up the 12 by 12 paper. Since I had so many full sheets, I went ahead and cut them up into big segments using a sketch by Christina Sorge. This one, I talked about how, about my kids. If I ever got a phone call from them going to jail, there is a video up for this. And then this last one is a bonus. When I'm recording this, I'm not quite sure when I'm going to have this go up. I'm going to try to get it to go up before I have the video that I'm currently doing. So this is from a sketch from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and it is it's for the month of August. And I loved how I was able to use so many of these tiny words and phrases over here. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. These pictures are from 1993, so they are 25 years old. And it's so wonderful to look back and see my kids. I have one of these girls is still a reader, the other one is not. One is more of a leader than the other one, and it is not the reader. Let me just say, but that's okay, that's okay. Let me show you what I have left over. As for papers, I did use quite a bit of this. And I have just this. I didn't even use any of the months. I have a few sheets of the 8 by 8. I should have counted how many I started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7, and they're double-sided. But I think what I use the most are the scraps that are in here. So that was wonderful. I have enough to do. I may save this for next summer and pull it out again, because whenever you put something away and then you rediscover it, it's like it's new again. I still love this, but I think I'm going to want to save it until next summer. So I'll stick that with it as well. And then as for, I didn't pull that much from my stash for the ephemera. So I didn't use the butterfly wood veneers. I don't know if I used a sticker from there. Oh, I did use, this was a 6 by 6. I did use most of that. I didn't use that. I did use one of these for the word smile. I did use that. I used up both of the charms that were from Freckle Fawn, and that was on the last page that I just did. I used up all of the thickers, the white thickers, so I can throw that away. I used all of the pink bows. So there were 3 of them, so those are gone. I did use a couple of the, they were 3 by 4s, and I used them on the bonus page. One of them you can't hardly see, but, and then I didn't use, obviously I didn't use the camera. And I didn't use this Hello Summer, which means I will probably save this until next summer. And then look at my sheet. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5, I don't know if you can even see. That's all that's left. I used up everything else. I mean, it wasn't completely full when I started, but I think I might just throw this away. It's not worth just saving for five phrases. So, and then I didn't use any of the flare, and I love flare. And look at, I don't know how many pieces come in here, but I used up quite a bit of the ephemera. There's not much left. It's very exciting. There's still some wonderful pieces in here. I just didn't use it all up. Well, let's see. As for paper, let me kind of get this out of the way. Put this here. This will be easy to put away now that I have very little. As for the paper, I didn't even use that. I don't know if I used that, but these are the 3 papers that I did for the Get Comfortable page. And as for Alpha, I used this one on the first layout. I used this one for the Get Comfortable and for the word reader, so I was glad to be able to use this up. This I used on the first, you know what, I don't think I had this in my kit. I think it was on my floor. I don't think this was in the kit. I'll just leave it here. But here is the LA Studio. I used it on the bonus, just a little bit. So I try to use up as much as I can. You know, I mean, there's not much left on here before I go on to the next one. So anyway, so that was it. This was a success. I am thrilled of the pages that I was able to make from the kit that I had made, especially considering what few embellishments I had pulled out. The only thing that I pulled out, and it was for the bonus, was this this Alpha, this chipboard, because I didn't have enough to write out the word leader, and I almost didn't have enough for this, but it worked out, and so I am very, very happy with the way that this turned out. I look forward to doing one for September. I'll probably go more into the fall color scheme. I'm not quite sure yet. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. So anyway, thanks for joining me this month, and thanks to all the ladies who also did their kit for this month. It was a lot of fun, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.